As the saying goes, what you don't know won't hurt you. But some fast food workers think it's time to shed some light. Ever wondered about Subway's chicken? Apparently, its oven-roasted chicken is actually boiled in a microwave. Starbucks' secret menu actually has nothing to do with the company, so the workers think it's annoying when you expect them to know how to make a blackberry cobbler frappuccino. Also, the hot food on Starbucks' actual menu is really just frozen food reheated. So don't expect fresh ingredients when you order that $6 panini. Feeling really hungry? Then don't order Chipotle's tacos. Apparently they're half the regular portion, so you're better off ordering a bowl with the shells on the side. Dairy Queen salads are apparently a no-no. If the $5 price doesn't give it away, the old lettuce, cabbage, carrots, and even older grilled chicken will. Speaking of chicken, Buffalo Wild Wings' name says it all. If you order anything but the wings, you're just eating frozen food. And even more disappointing, Wendy's apparently has a little motto when it comes to the sales of its fries. They aren't old until they're sold. Although, it could be ex-employees who are saying these things, but either way, it's interesting. I'm Jordyn Rolling for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.